Hello, I'm Milford's Mayor Ben Blake. I'm here with Deepa Joseph, our Director of Health, who will give us some suggestions about how we can help mitigate the spread of the coronavirus. But really, it's all about focusing on the essentials and only the essentials. We go to work if we're an essential employee. We go shopping if we need food. We go to the doctors if we're sick. We go running or jogging or hiking or some other solitary activity in order to stay healthy and get exercise. But other than that, we stay at home. We stay at home and we stay safe. The governor just issued a new executive order directing all supermarkets, grocers, essential retailers to limit the number of people in the stores, reducing the customer count by 50%. Retailers and grocers have stepped up in other ways. They've sanitized carts, they've promoted social distancing, they've brought back single-use plastic bags. But all of us shoppers need to step up as well. We need to keep a social distance. We need to make sure we avoid touching surfaces other people touch. We need to make sure that if we're going to pay, we should pay by credit card instead of cash if we can. And when we're shopping, if we use a mask or we use plastic gloves, please dispose of those properly. Do not litter them in the parking lots. That's an absolute health hazard. But we should be doing all these things to stay healthy. That also means following the one person per household rule while we're shopping. Make sure that only one person per family is shopping at any given time. Again, is to keep the customer count down, because it's going to take all of us working together to stay apart. So Deepa, what else do we need to do to stay healthy?
So one of the most common questions that we've been getting at the health department is, how can I help? I don't own a company that can make masks. I don't own a company that can print face shields. What can I do to help? And the best answer is stay at home. So we know that it is sometimes hard to just stay at home, but we want to make sure that, again, all those essential things that you need to do, you are doing your best to keep that 6 feet apart. We know that every day we're seeing more and more cases, and that we are heading into what public health officials and healthcare experts believe will be the peak of this virus in the next 8 to 10 days or so. So we want to make sure that we're all doing our part and that you're able to do your part and stay at home, keep your social distance, and only go out for those essential things that Mayor Blake mentioned. And we know that it might be a little frustrating, but we're asking everyone's patience to just come together as a community and do our part to stay apart, with the hope that once we get past this peak, we'll be closer and closer to going back to the routines that we all miss so much. So stay home and stay safe.
Stay safe, stay at home. Be healthy, Milford.